how to turn on or off private account in your TikTok account on your PC. And okay guys, here in your TikTok homepage, on the left side, you'll have to do is go to profile. Here in profile, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, you can click the gear icon. Here now, you can see the privacy section. Here in privacy section, you can see here the discoverability. And discoverability, okay, you can see the private account. And on the right side of this private account, you can see here the switch button. Okay, the private account is off. So if you want to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay, if this turn on with a private account, only user you approve can follow you and watch your video. Your existing follower won't be affected. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the private account. So if you want to turn off again the private account, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side and the pop-up are show. Okay, switch to public account. If you switch to a public account, anyone can watch your video. User may be able to do it, stitch or download your video depending on what you choose in settings and privacy. You won't need to approve followers and all pending follow requests will be automatically approved. And okay guys, you'll have to do to turn up again, okay, you'll have to do is click the confirm button on the pop-up. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off private account in your TikTok account on your PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.